Last time, we created 9 columns for the search result, right? In this video, I'm going to use that 9 columns, actually 3, and get back to my bookkeep, and they will be used in the drop box under the transaction item, this one, trans item. Before that, I'm going to create 2 helper columns just to help me point to the chart of account so that you can select the type of accounts based on your transaction type. So in this one, I'm going to put if the left of the transaction type, so I'm going to slice R, the first character, slice the first one, close the bracket. If this one equals R, then it will be returning the text. So I'm going to put it inside the double quote. The text will be pointing to the chart of account. Alright, doesn't matter, just leave it. So I'm going to point to the cell here, R and 8, okay? So let me put double quote to wrap around this area. So it's going to be the chart of account, table, R, column R, and row 8, okay? So it's going to be R8, and I'm going to put F4. Sorry, I can't do F4 for that. So just do, because I have to block it, that's why I have to put a $sign. So it's R $8, comma, and then let me copy everything. Control C, Alt Enter, Control V. So when the leftmost character of transaction type is P, so let me change it to P, it will be pointing to the chart of account. Let me see what we have. Usually you'll get the warning sign, but it's going to be the column O and row 8. Okay, so let's go back to the formula. Close, clean it up. So this one is the £sign O8. And let me check the one for B. So it should be U. In the bank, it should be U. And the row should be 8. Okay, row U8. Just copy this one. Alt Enter, Control V. And then change the type to boy, Beaver boy. And in this one, I'm going to change it to U. Okay, and then after the comma, if there are none of the above, then I'm going to put a dash. And then close the first bracket, second bracket, and the third bracket. Okay, enter. Then I should get a text string like this. So let's say if I change the type to boy, then I should get U8. So it's going to be pointing to the chart of account, cell U8. Okay, so I'm going to use the indirect formula later. Okay, let me go back to my bookkeeping. For the transaction range, what I'm going to do is I just copy the transaction first cell, change this one. So the text, let me go back to the chart of account, create a name range for the P search result, R search result, and B search result. Select everything, press Ctrl Shift F3. And then I can create names from the values. Use the top row because I'm going to select the column head. Press OK. Then I will have a range when I select the P search result. So it's going to be a name range of P search result. I'm going to do that for the R search result as well. Ctrl Shift F3 and then top row. Ctrl Shift F3. And I have the R search result, and I do that for the B search result also. Select everything, Ctrl Shift F3, top row. Okay, so just make sure I have the B search result again. Ctrl S, save it, and then I go back to my bookkeep interface. This time I go back to the transaction range and amend the formula. So when the type is R, I'm going to create a range. I erase all the quote and I press F3. And then I have the R search result. Okay, just press OK. But you cannot return the result because I'm going to use the indirect later. So I have to put the quote. Just wrap this around with a double quote. Okay, and what I can do is just copy that do it for the P because I just create a name range, right? Control V, and then I change the R search to P search. And then I do this for B search result as well. Okay, press enter. Then I should have the range, the name of the range, right? So let's say if I change the transaction type to R, revenue, then I have first cell and the transaction range being changed. Okay,